Here is our latest update on Tropical Cyclone Darian, which is heading south as a powerful Category 1. It is 375 kilometers west of Cocos Islands as of 12:00 TC 19th December. With 1695 miles, 125 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour, 10 minutes means 75 knots, 140 kilometers per hour, 85 miles, 1 minute meaning, gusting 100 knots, 180 for 180 miles per hour, central pressure of 971 millibars, 26 18, south-southeast at 2 knots or 2.3 miles per hour, 3.7 kilometers per hour. And here's our forecast track of Category 3 Tropical Cyclone Darian. Going southwest as going 59 knots, might weakening, then might strengthening once again, but then goes straight southwest and might weaken very soon as soon as possible in the next 5 days. As I said on Australian Sail, is a Category 3 severe tropical cyclone. Current storm status Category 1 tropical cyclone is 1 minute mean. Here is the average pressure rate 6 hours. Look at this. It has a large then Port Release goes through, then officially goes might read loading screen. Oh my god, this is what it's taken. Look at it. It might be a Category 4 or something, or still holding as a Category 3. It might weaken to a Category 2 1 and going extratropical low. Then goes through Antarctica. No idea. Here's our latest satellite imagery of Tropical Cyclone Darian, forming an eye right there. Just right there. As you can see, it looks pretty a normal storm, but let's see in the next few hours. Here's our latest system tracks for 1993. Quite a strong storm making landfall as Category 4 in Cagayan Valley, and had a lot of coastal damages and destroyed houses and leaving people homeless. In the Eastern Pacific, they had over 5 or 6 strong Category 5 hurricanes, especially there's a lot of. Do you know how this year that this year that has no Category 5 storms? This 2022 they had no Category 5 storms. And in the North Atlantic, we got here is a storm that has been a Category 4, almost making landfall in the eastern side of the United States. And you can see is pretty much decent storms. You know that the North Atlantic has less storms, but probably the other oceans have more than the North Atlantic. In the Southwest Indian, one of the strongest is probably Iovona. Iovona. So Iovona was a Category 4 and left behind this a Category 1, just becoming extratropical low. Straight into the 1993 Australian tropical cyclone season. From iTracks and Bone, we got right here is Polly, which completely was a category 4, and look at this long track in and going to the San Francisco scale. Then we have here is a Nina, made the landfall as a Cat 1 cyclone, and make less damages, right? Then later on it goes all over as a category 3, then as an ex-tropical cyclone. And finally is the South Pacific, which is completely same as the Australian region with two storms right now. And that's it for the update of Tropical Cyclone Darian. If you want to look and an update for me, you can always comment and say that that's what is happening right now, and pledge that I can make an update for Tropical Cyclone Darian or other storms, which is possibly with 2 storms is actually in events right now. I have nothing else to do. I'm in my cousin's house, which is completely cause I'm in the bed. I'm sweating right now. I'm completely completely tired right now, so I can't even do something else. So I'm gonna afford to look on. Please just leave a comment that if the Darian is strengthening right now, I'm gonna make an update. So thank you. Bye.